I built this customer support bot in just minutes, all without coding. This is Relevance AI, a drag-and-drop platform that connects to your apps, pulls answers from your knowledge base, and even hands tasks to humans when needed. So in this video, we're going to see if Relevance AI really makes work easier, or if it's just another shiny new tool with big promises. You'll find links to all the exclusive discounts in the description below. For this demo, I'll click New Agent, name it Customer Support Bot, and add a short description. This helps keep things organized when you're building multiple agents for different fields. Every agent runs on a prompt. It's basically its personality and instructions. Relevance AI's prompt editor gives you complete control over how your agent behaves. You can set the tone of voice, whether that's formal, casual, or brand specific. You can add guardrails, like telling it not to guess answers. And if you're not sure where to start, you can even let the AI generate a starter prompt for you. For this demo, I'll type, "You are a helpful support assistant for dominating YouTube. Always answer using the company FAQs. If unsure, escalate to a human." That single instruction becomes the foundation for how our bot will respond and interact moving forward. One of the most powerful features of Relevance AI is its massive library of built-in integrations, including Google Workspace apps, communication tools like Slack and Microsoft Teams, CRM systems such as HubSpot and Salesforce, and more. You can connect as many tools as you need and even link multiple accounts of the same service if required. For this demo, I'll connect Google Drive so the agent can access documents and then add Slack as our messaging channel. With these integrations, the agent isn't just a static Q&A bot, it becomes an active participant in your workflows. One of the standout features of Relevance AI is how easily it lets you integrate a knowledge base. This is what gives your agent real, reliable answers instead of generic guesses. You can upload PDFs, connect to Google Docs, or even link a Notion database. For this demo, I'll upload our product FAQ PDF. Once it's uploaded, Relevance AI processes the document automatically and makes all of its content searchable by the agent. Now, when a customer asks about warranties, returns, or product specs, the agent doesn't guess. It pulls the exact answer directly from our PDF. Triggers are what tell your agent when to take action. Relevance AI supports several types of triggers, like incoming Slack messages, form submissions, API calls, and more. For this demo, I'll choose Slack message. That means anytime someone posts a question in our customer support channel, the agent will jump in and respond instantly. Pro tip: you can set up multiple triggers for one agent so it can respond on Slack, handle form submissions, and react to API calls all at once. This way, the agent becomes fully embedded into your workflow instead of being just a standalone bot. Now let's look at escalations, which is a way to bring humans into the loop when the AI hits a dead end. For example, I'll add an agent notification, choose Slack as the platform, and set the condition to trigger whenever the bot can't answer. Then I'll connect our Slack account and select the channel where alerts should go, probably tagging our support manager. Another powerful feature in Relevance AI is memory. You can configure exactly what it should remember, such as customer names, past orders, or previous questions. For example, if a customer says, "I want to return my shoes today," the agent saves that request under Product Return. When the same customer comes back next week and asks, "Has my return been processed?" the agent already knows the context. Now, it's time to test everything we've set up. I'll click Build to compile all of the settings and then run a quick test. Let's ask, "How do I request a refund?" And there it is. The bot instantly pulled the exact answer straight from our FAQ PDF. That's the Knowledge Plus Tools feature working together in action, giving us accurate answers without any guesswork. Once everything is working the way you want, the final step is to click Save Agent. From there, you can deploy the bot across multiple channels: Slack, your website chat, or even email. Now let's talk about pricing. Relevance AI offers a free plan with 1,000 credits and 200 actions with agents. This is fine for testing out, but you can quickly hit limits. The Pro plan starts at around $29 per month and gives you 10,000 credits per month with 2,500 actions with agents. So try out the tool using the discount link in the description and let me know your feedback in the comments below. And for another helpful AI tutorial, check out this video next.